Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about Jasmy coin. So let's dive straight into trading view. We start here on the 4-hourly chart, and on the 4-hourly I showed you a big potential W pattern. Double bottom is forming right now. So right now you can see that the second bottom is slightly higher than the first one here. The potential breakout, the neckline would be here at 0.0282 on the yellow line, and the price target would come in at 0.0390. So this could lead into a potential nearly 40% pump from the breakout of this neckline. Right now, if we look here, you can see another potential W pattern is forming. So the neckline actually would come in here at 0.0195, and a potential price target would be at 0.0218. So a nearly approximately 11% pump could happen. So, but right now, first the 4-hourly email ribbons are above Jasmy. So first it has to break through the email ribbons. Secondly, here are a big resistance line I marked out here already, and this downtrend line. So that is also coming in. Actually also here in this area of the resistance level. So if Jasmy can really pump through the email ribbons, through this resistance line, then a breakout is pretty likely. Actually, because of this falling channel, falling wedge, the price target would be here at this level. So that could bring Jasmy definitely to this neckline from the big W pattern. So also let's look quickly on the Fibonacci retracement. So the golden pocket would come in here at this price target from the small W pattern. And here at the resistance level is the 786 Fibonacci level. Okay, let's switch to the daily chart. And here I showed you already actually two patterns. The first one, a big W pattern on the daily chart, is forming. The neckline would come in something here at this level. So the price target from this one, the price target would be here at 0.0827. That could be a pump of 84%. So also the second one is this big, huge cup and handle pattern that still potentially could form in here. So, I mean, that could bring Jasmy to incredible 0.4771. So that is a potential gain from the moment it is trading right now to this price target of around 2,400%. That would be so nice to see. So with that being said, this is no financial advice. Always do your research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. If you want to support me, leave now a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe right now to my channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching, and we see us in the next video of Nice Trading Pro. Peace out, guys and ladies.